Welcome you all back to another wonderful video. Today I'm going to make some centerpieces for my coffee table in my front room, and I want you all to go along the journey with me. Something I created in my mind. But first things first, if you are not a part of Frederica Nation, please subscribe. You all subscribe, hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload, and also hit thumbs up if you like this video. So what you're going to need for this project, of course, you're going to need a hot glue gun, some glue sticks, E6000. I got 2 cylinders I'm going to use because I'm making 2 centerpieces, and 4 of the candlestick holders. And these came from the Dollar Tree. E6000 came from Walmart. I got some diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree. But I got some trim wrap, okay, from Walmart. And I got some extra E6000 just in case. I got some scissors, and I also got some mirrors, octagon mirrors from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. Sorry for the blurriness on the video. Super duper apologize. So let's get started. What I'm going to do, first things first, I'm going to do these 2. I'm thinking about gluing these 2 just like this on top of each other, okay? But before I do that, what I'm going to do is put some E6000 on it, E6000 around the edge of it, just because I want it to, well, let me get this going real quick. Okay, there it goes. I like to use E6000 in hot glue because it just sticks. The E6000 is going to secure it better than the hot glue. Okay, and you're going to go, oh, let me put another stick in here. Sorry about that, I got to load up, y'all. And this is the one I use, and I'm going to put some hot glue on here because it's going to dry it faster. Okay. All right, and make sure, don't be like me, because I ain't got no good eyeball in sight, so just make sure that when you do this part that you are gluing this stuff together correctly. Okay, I think I got it on there the best way possible. Okay, we're gonna go with that, okay? We're going to go with that. So I'm going to move that to the side, and I'm going to do this other one too, just, you know, while that's sitting and drying. Let me put some E6000 on it. Okay. E6000 is way better than hot glue. The hot glue is only hot, and it holds it for the moment until your E6000 dries up. But how many of y'all know that the hot glue gun is really not secure for stuff like this? Maybe certain items, but not for things like this. Okay, so, ooh, I got that on there perfect that time. Great, great. Let me press that down. All right. Move that on to the side. Now I'm going to grab one of my cylinders. And before I do anything to the cylinder, of course, y'all know me, I got to bling it out. So what I'm planning on doing is putting some bling around it. Okay. Let me see how much I'm going to need. All right, and then I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to cut another strip like this, the same size, because I'm going to do it for the other one as well. Of course, y'all know that. So, yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. What y'all got going on, though? Frederica Nation? Talk to me. Drop it down in the comment section below. I want to know what kind of ideas and suggestions y'all got. You know, you feel me? Like, come on. Y'all more than welcome to tell me what y'all got, what y'all think. And I mean, come on, we a family. We in this together. It ain't only just about Frederica's, you know what I'm saying? We a family. But yeah, I want to know what y'all think. And other little creative ideas, like I know y'all got some stuff in your minds that, you know, all right. Ooh, that came out perfectly fine. Yes, hunty, yes. Okay, so now I'm going to get this one and do the same thing and put that glue around it and try to wrap it around the best way possible. Okay, so y'all bear with me. Y'all bear with me. Yes, put that hot glue on down up there on there like that, and I'm going to wrap that cylinder around. And this is the part where you get creative. Now, you don't have to do the exact same look that I got going on, okay? But you do whatever your mind come up with, your good creative mind come up with. You feel me? So, and I'm sure y'all got some wonderful, beautiful ideas. I just know this. Okay. But yeah, it's all good. It's all good. All right, so now I'm going to take this wrap, okay, and I want to bring it around together. It's going to be very, 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 very beautiful. I'm trying to eyeball it as best way possible and bring it around, and I'm going to cut this other piece too just because I need it for the other cylinder, correct? Alright, so I usually have these cut out already, but unfortunately I didn't do it this time. I want y'all to go step by step with me this time. Like, I want y'all to roll with me on this one. Step by step. Step by step. So, I'm hot gluing. I'm hot gluing. And I'm holding it because I don't want to hold it in my other hand. I mean, hold it too tight because this stuff is hot. And I don't want to burn myself. And it's okay if it gets stringy or something. This hot glue, it gets stringy, and it's okay. It's okay. Now, I got this open because what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to place a gem right there, and it's going to be very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. So, let me do this one. And, you know, like I said, you have to excuse me because I am, like, making two of them. But I just want to show you all the overall look. Let me put some hot glue on this one. It's going to be very beautiful. Okay. And I got some extra gems, so like I said, I'm going to put a gem right there, so I'm not going to hot glue that all the way close. Not just yet. But what I'm going to do now, let me add another stick in here because it's getting low. I'm going to take this trim, and what I want to do is go around this just like this. That's going to be really pretty. And yes, this trimming is almost gone. Yeah, not much come on this. This is just ridiculous, but it is what it is at the end of the day. Yeah, it don't come with much, y'all. So, I'm going to put it on here, and I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to wrap it around. Well, hold on. I had to put a little bit more glue on that, y'all. Sorry. Okay. And so now what I'm going to do, all right, isn't that pretty? That is really, really pretty. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the cylinder on top of this, just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put some E6000 around it and some hot glue on the bottom of this cylinder. I'm gonna put it on the bottom of this cylinder. Okay, you can't see me doing it because the way the camera's set up, but that's what I'm doing, y'all. Like I said, doing this type of a project, you want to make sure that it's on here. Okay, make sure it's evenly on there, because if not, it will look like really retarded. It would really look like it was homemade, and we don't want it to look homemade. We want it to look elegant as much as possible. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this mirror and I am going to put it on top of here. Okay, and that would be my centerpiece, but I'm going to add some more extra bling.